heard about this class, Building a Tiny House, probably 2 years ago, and it just was sort of in my radar for a long time. I wanted to do this, and it's been really a great experience to have this week. I feel like I've learned a lot of skills. I've learned a lot of just about how a house comes together. That's been really the most exciting thing for me. And the community here and the support and the way people interact with each other and the instructors interact with students, I think is just really empowering, and that's been a really great experience for me. So my grandpa, when I was growing up, was a carpenter and built stuff in the garage all the time, and he never really invited me or told me how to do anything, but he also was kind of like a get her done kind of a carpenter. He was always a little bit off, he didn't measure perfectly. And then contractor people are very precise. I think my realistic is in between the contractor and my grandpa, but at least I have a bigger appreciation for how important it is to be as precise as possible from the very beginning, and how those things can add up over the course of the build to be really a problem if it's a little bit out of whack by the time you get to the top stages. So that was probably the biggest learning. I really wanted to take it just to learn how to do things, and I feel like I've accomplished that, and now I feel like, maybe I want to do a project. When the right one comes along, I'll be able to feel like that's something I can really tackle.